We thank our client for letting us shape these homes. These houses are not more than just structures, they are craft of dreams where every room holds a story and every corner preserves a memory. We invite you to be part of our journey to uncover the tale spun within these walls. Step into the serene charm of these modern homes, tucked within the clutch of Cansville Golf Club, Devdolera, Ahmedabad. These two bungalows stand as reflections of each other, built for an NRI father-in-law and his son-in-law. Their hearts beats in the sync with nature, deeply rooted in the essence of Indian heritage. As a builders, we start on an incredible journey to bring this vision to life. A carpet of lush green grass surrounds the bungalows, extending a warm welcome from nature. The design tells a harmonious story where both houses share the same melody and symbolizing the bond between the families. With rounded design, the kitchen becomes the soul of these homes. A circular kitchen garden flourishes nearby, a haven fresh ingredients and culinary inspirations. A separate space for the servant stands ready to assist at any hour. Clear glass panels let sunlight create a magical play of light and atmosphere. The sun becomes a constant companion, bathing every corner with its gentle warmth and radiance. A dance of fresh air choreographs through full-length windows, ensuring a calm breeze sweeps through the rooms. Central courtyards are nostalgic about the past, evoking the essence of Ahmedabad courtyard patterns. Here, a connection to heritage is forged, one that bridges the gap between generations. These homes offer a retreat of calm, a place to pause and rejuvenate. They extend an invitation to relax, to find peace within their walls. We bring videos on construction and interior design on this YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this YouTube channel. Do share and like this video. Thank you for watching.